The handwriting analysis report from the Henderson family case remains sealed in the county records office, but copies of the typed pages still exist. In March of 2019, Sarah Henderson bought a 1940s Royal Quiet deluxe typewriter from the estate sale of deceased author Marcus Whitmore. Her daughter Emma used it for college assignments without incident for 3 months. Then the machine began adding sentences to finished papers, always in the same precise handwriting style. The messages referenced private family conversations that had occurred hours earlier. By October, complete pages appeared overnight, containing warnings about unfinished business. The handwriting matched Whitmore's authenticated samples perfectly. He had died mid-sentence while writing his final novel. The typewriter somehow knew details about the Henderson family that Whitmore never could have learned. The machine was donated to charity the following week. The typed warnings proved accurate, every single one.